right now you can make ads like this in minutes with AI. And the thing is, most brands don't believe that AI can accurately recreate their product. They think it won't look realistic or it won't be good enough to include in your ad creative. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that using Seedance 2.0, the brand new AI video model to hit the scene, which is just incredible. My name's Fraser. I'm one of the co-founders at Fraggell. We work with brands like Leaf Shave, Aloha, and the Black Stuff, helping them scale their e-commerce brands with converting ad creative. And today, using ArcAds, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create any product using AI and put it into a video in basically one shot. So first of all, you need to pick your LLM of choice. I'm going to be using Claude. You can use ChatGPT, you can use whatever you want to use. We're mostly going to be using it to write a little bit of voiceover copy. So if you don't know, this is ArcAds. This is what we're going to be using here. We're going to be using two models, Nano Banana 2 and the brand new Seedance 2.0. Now, there's been a lot of stuff about Seedance, and there are some limitations which we're going to be talking about in today's video, but this is such an insane model, I just had to cover it. At Fraggell, we are actually using AI quite a bit within our actual production. One thing we've actually been doing quite a lot is filming stuff in our studio, but then enhancing it and doing things that simply weren't possible using AI. But if you are a one-man band, you're a small team, and you just want to create some really great AI ads, then this is the video for you. So let's jump straight into it. First of all, by using Nano Banana 2. So this is one of the best image models out, in my opinion. I have written a quick little prompt here. Generate me an image of a skincare bottle with a brand name, General Skin on it, and put it in the hands of a female. Now, if you want to include your product, you very much can do. All you need to do here is just import as a reference image your product. And then you say, generate me an image of a woman holding the product in the reference image. I don't want to showcase any brands directly in this, so we're just going to make up a brand, and that is going to be called General Skin, and it's going to be a skincare brand. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I'm on Nano Banana 2, I'm on 9:16, and I'm just going to press go. You get 100 free generations with Nano Banana inside your ArcAds subscription, which is really great because a lot of AI video stuff starts with a start frame that you can generate using something like Nano Banana. So I actually generated 4 at a time with this, which is another little thing here that you can do really clever within ArcAds. It means that you can get more options without constantly re-prompting it. So obviously, like I said here, this is just a very generic product, but what I want to show you here is how, as long as you have good images, good reference images of your product, you can include your product in AI video. So I want to use this one. I think this is like a really nice looking vibe. This is kind of what I want to go for here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to head over to Claude and I'm going to write a short script. So we're going to be using Seedance 2, and I know the limit for Seedance is 15 seconds, so we're going to keep that in mind. So we're just going to open a new chat in Claude. I'm going to use Whisper Flow just to dictate my prompt. Write me a voiceover script for a video that's going to be 15 seconds about my skincare brand that I've just made up called General Skin. I want you to focus on the core USPs, that this is one of the best anti-aging creams on the market and can help you look younger than ever by only using it once a day. The cream is light, applies really nicely, and was voted the best skin cream for women over 35. Complete nonsense there, but you will get the idea of what we want to achieve here. Obviously, if you're doing this for your brand, you want to input, the right information, etc., but we're just making this up. So the reason that I use Claude is I think it's one of the best ones for like copywriting. So here we go. If you're over 35 and want younger looking skin, this is it. General Skin's anti-aging cream is voted the best on the market. 1 application a day, lightweight, effortless. Results you'll actually see. Okay, really nice. One-shotted that, lovely. We could go back and edit that, but I don't think it really matters. Now we're on to the exciting part. Okay, so we've got our image here. I'm going to click this little icon here, which is going to use it in a video. I'm going to make sure that I pick Seedance 2.0 here. And what you can see here, you can import up to 3 images. You can import video and you can import audio. audio. So you have all these different sources that you can play about with. We're just going to use the image. Remember, the more context that you give to an AI model, the better it's going to be. But I'm going to show you that you don't even need that much for Seedance to make really great results. So again, I'm going to use Whisper Flow here just to quickly dictate my prompt. I want you to generate me a advert for the skincare product that you can see in image 1. I want the vibe to be very dreamy and organic, and when we do show models, they need to be around 40 years of age and women. The voiceover for the advert is this. And now we're just going to paste in that voiceover. I'm going to put it in speech marks so it understands. And we just want to make sure here, so when it says in image 1 here, what we want to do is we want to do a / and we want to pick image 1 so that it knows to reference the image that we've imported. Remember, you can do this here with, let's say you uploaded 3 images, you want to use image 3 or audio 3, whatever. This means that you could actually generate your audio separately somewhere using 11 Labs. But again, I want to show you how super easy it is within Arcads to do this just one shot. Again, we're just going to dictate a little more to this prompt. I want at least one shot to show the cream being applied to a woman's face, and I want to make sure that we fit the entire voiceover within 15 seconds. Okay, I think we've got enough there, so we're going to make sure that all the model information here is correct. Click 15 seconds. Right now you can do max 720. The other problems you have with Seedance right now is you can't upload references of people, unfortunately. At the minute, it's just one of the limitations of the model. Maybe they will change that at some point, but right now you can't do that, which is a real shame because I can see this being like an incredible model for things like fake UGC. But that's not the case right now, so let's deal with what we have. I'm going to generate 2 versions of this at the same time. Everything is ready. We click go, generate video, off it goes. And while that generates, this is probably a good time for me to tell you to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy videos about ad creative and AI and marketing and building a business. Please do take the time to hit the subscribe button, and also leave a comment down below and tell me what types of videos that you would like to see me make. And remember, with any AI video that you are creating, please do make sure that you are actually doing this legally. I know that I've showcased some ways that you can make UGC using AI, but I do really encourage you to make sure that what you are doing is actually legal. Doing things like fake before and afters can really land your brand in some very sketchy territory. So please do make sure that you think about the consequences of when you are using AI within your marketing. At Fraggell, we pretty much stay away from using AI when it comes to health and wellness brands. The reason for that is because it's such like uneven territory when it comes to compliance. And then when we do use it, we make sure that we're doing it in a fun and entertaining way, or we bring in something to life that we weren't able to do before. A great example of this is all like those AI fruit videos that you see on feeds at the minute. You can get away with saying a lot of things because it's not being said by a person and you're not making direct claims. So as much as I absolutely love AI and I'm so impressed by some of the stuff that it does, please do be careful with it. AI is a very powerful tool, and we as the people that make people buy products, we need to be wary of that. Okay, they have done, they've generated. Let's have a watch.
If you're over 35 and want younger looking skin, this is it. General Skin's anti-aging cream is voted the best on the market. 1 application a day, lightweight, effortless. Results you'll actually see. General Skin. Look younger every day.
That is absolutely unreal. Let's take a look at the other one.
If you're over 35 and want younger looking skin, this is it. General Skin's anti-aging cream is voted the best on the market. 1 application a day, lightweight, effortless. Results you'll actually see. General Skin. Look younger every day.
So I actually really like the voiceover in this one, and I think there are shots in this that I like and shots in the other one we like. So what we could do is we could download them both. We could take the audio from the first one, and then we can take shots from them all to kind of make a kind of perfect ad. Obviously there are some like issues with the generation, like we have when it, you know, when it squeezes it, it looks a little bit funky here. Not great, but the stuff of the people is absolutely unreal. So let's do exactly that. Let's download both of these and we'll put them into Premiere and we'll have a little play about. Okay, we're just going to drop them into a brand new sequence and let's have a play.
If you're over 35 and...
So this is definitely the voiceover that we want. So I'm going to just take that voiceover straight off. Just going to trim that down a little bit as well. Cool. Okay, and now let's just select some clips that we like. So I don't think the pumping thing works very well. I don't really like that one. But this is really nice. So let's set an in and out point here. And to be quite honest, I do like the shot following it as well. I like all of that. That's really nice. So let's just pop that at the front here. Okay, cool, nice, okay. And let's go to that other clip we have here. Again, let's ignore that top one. This application shot is really good. This is really smart. So let's just take those and let's pop them on. And then I did like the end shot of the other one. This part here, so we're going to go in, out, take that, dump that, there we go. And now if we play it, we should have a really nice ad.
If you're over 35 and want younger looking skin, this is it. General Skin's anti-aging cream is voted the best on the market. 1 application a day, lightweight, effortless. Results you'll actually see. General Skin, look younger every day.
That was really good, right? Like, this is how good AI video has got recently, particularly with Seedance 2. It is really impressive. And remember, any of these shots here, you could just take them out, you could regenerate them, you could throw them in. It's pretty amazing how quickly you can like piece together a really good ad. So remember, the process for most of these is generate an image within Nano Banana and then use that image as a reference for your video. Remember, images are much cheaper to generate than video, so when it comes to credit management, that's often the best way to do it. So if you want to make ads just like this using AI with your product, then you can do. You can try Arc Ads down below. There's a little link to try it. It's by far one of the best tools to use inside the AI space right now. In my opinion, the team here use it as well. And if you're a brand that's already spending over 70,000 and you just want the ads made for you, then I would love to have a conversation with you. You can scan the QR code on the screen right now or click the link down below to apply to work with my agency. And if you're not there yet, don't worry, just carry on enjoying the videos. Do make sure that you hit subscribe if you enjoyed this one and hit like, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.